yesterday, if you watched that video of us going and doing a little short road trip and doing a little bit of snorkeling and all, we also showed stopping and getting some vegetables and all at a local fruit stand there at our vegetable stand at San Joaquin. And so today, Melinda and Joanne, they made this soup. What all's in this now? I see there's the squash that we got yesterday.
Of course, it's a squash and lofa, climbing spinach, and I don't know what you call this one, like a kind of, you know, the big vegetable yesterday that we bought.
That big green one? You should know the name of it.
Opo. We call that one opo here.
Okay.
And yes, we also had mung bean.
That was the little small beans that she bought yesterday. You seen him pouring out of the tin can into the bag.
And
did I see some potato in there earlier?
no, there's no potato, but I add the dried fish, the fresh.
Oh, you done snuck those in again.
Yeah, but they're good. And then
you always let me feel something wiggle in my mouth.
I add a little bit of this sour.
What's that?
We call that one batuan here.
Okay, so is it like a little fruit or vegetable or what?
It's a I don't know if it is a vegetable, but it's a sour.
It's a sour tasting now?
Sour tasting.
What makes all the broth? Just all the juice from everything together, or do y'all add something more for the broth?
No, just because the mungo bean, if you cook and boil the mungo bean, they...
Oh, so yeah, like a lot of beans, it gets like a sauce off of it.
Like a sauce of it.
And then you grilled up a fish here. What fish is this?
Bilong. We call this one the...
Bilong?
Yeah, bilong.
You know why? Because this one belong to me.
Yeah, belong to you. We call this one is a black bilong. There's another variety of this fish that color white. But this one we call that one a black bilong.
Did you brush his teeth before you cooked him? Man, look at that.
It's like a piranha.
Yeah, a little piranha looking right there, right?
I'm making you.
She made me a little bit of sauce. That's kind of like, put a little bit of that with the fish. You can just eat the tomato and stuff. Delicious. Come over here and let me show you our new baby. You want to see our new baby? Look at her, sporting Texas Filipino. And if you hadn't already subscribed, please do now.
No. Don't hesitate.
Well, come see our baby. So here it is. We have our first baby squash came up. Look at that. Pretty quick too, just within a few days. I'm curious if I see more of them start coming up through here in the next couple of days. But we had one, he's an eager one. Maybe I mean say he, better be a she, because
it is a summer squash.
We need lots of babies. Yep. Hello, Cleopatra. What's the style here, huh?
It's my new costume. I just need something.
Hey, look, we both got our little shirts on.
Yes, mine is better.
Thank you, Brian and Pam. Thank you very much.
Yes, thank you,
for making these
like I said,
awesome shirts for us.
Exciting.
You surprised that we already have a summer squash up?
Yes, because last time I let my brother to sprout it, but no luck.
No luck?
Yes.
Yeah, well, you know, they get a little too eager poking around and stuff. Yes. Males a little bit bad about that too, kind of disturbing them before they get to settle in. That's why I've been like, nobody touch the area where my squash is, do you hear? Just follow one bucket on its journey. Here it goes.
Oh, okay.
And then here comes that bucket back.
One more missing to complete. Maybe you need to add there, babe.
Yeah, I should add. Melinda, go join them. Get in the line.
I'm the boss.
Oh, really? So you're going to take up on that video where it says, if the boss speaks, I obey?
Yeah.
I'm going to disobey today. I'm tired.
I make it serious. It's not a joke. Oh, my dad is going to...
Oh. Now Pops joined in, punching the crete, working it down.
Basta pero media pa lang. Timing gitu. Basta continue lang dasig mo lang.
I think Manuel's going too slow.
Let's go, bro. Let's go, bro. Let's go, Bellman.
Well, Miller has to be careful. He's pregnant. He has to take care of the baby. It's kicking now.
The baby warm.
Balik mo pa dyan. Ay, dito. Balik mo, kasunod mo, di balik.
I sure hope y'all don't do this next mix wet. I keep on them. They keep putting too much water in the mix over these mixes lately. It's easy for them to get it mixed together doing it like that. But it's shortcutting on me because the concrete's not as strong. I tried to have a little explanation to them this morning about slump test. Hey, pump girl, what's your name? You got a boyfriend?
Erica.
Erica? You got a boyfriend, Erica?
Single.
Single, man. I'm looking for a girl that knows how to pump like you.
I'm good.
Kaya ka naman makabag. Makabag nga.
Hey, Erica. Is this your papa?
Yes, it's my daddy.
Is he your bodyguard also?
All around.
All around? It looks like he's not interested in guarding you. Gave up long ago.
Did you got?
I guess those shorts say it all right now, right? What do they say on there?
Power girl.
Girl power, huh?
Yeah, girl.
I have a girl power pump. Dad laughed. It's funny. Remember, not so much water.
Too slow, Mixer. Show Bellman is too slow.
If you haven't yet, guys, please take time now and subscribe to this vlog. Please hit like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Okay,